Welcome to CloudOps Analytics, where we explore cloud, DevOps, data analysis. In today's video, we'll dive into running Docker containers inside Docker containers. So there are three methods for doing it. The first one is by mounting docker.sock. Second is by using dend method, and third is using sysbox docker runtime. But the simplest of all is using dend method. So today I'll show this using dend method. Dend is a powerful technique, especially useful in CI/CD pipelines, development environments, and scenarios where you need to manage Docker from within a containerized environment. They are used in Amazon Linux instance. Let's create one first. So I launch a new instance. The machine I'll use is Amazon Linux. I'll name it as Dend. Use AWS Amazon Linux. Use a key pair. You can generate one for yourself if you all don't have from here. Yeah. We have created our EC2 instance. Now we'll connect this instance. We can connect it as its state is running. Now we are into our Amazon Linux machine. So first we'll access our root account using sudo su root. So now we have logged in as our root account, as our root user. Now we'll install Docker first. Yeah. So now Docker is installed. So now we'll clear this first and we'll check the status of Docker. We'll start Docker as it was inactive and now we'll check. Yeah. So now our Docker is active and running. So now first we'll try to see if there are any images on our container, on our machine, sorry. So there are no images currently. So now first we'll pull a CentOS image. Docker pull CentOS using this command. So now it will pull Docker CentOS image for us. So once we are done, we will check Docker images again. And now we can see that we have pulled a CentOS image. Now we'll pull a Docker dend image. So this image is specifically designed to allow Docker commands to run inside our containers. Now we'll run Docker run hyphen hyphen privileged hyphen hyphen name Docker 2. I'll name it as Docker 2 hyphen D and Docker dend. So here this hyphen hyphen privileged means that container is given all the privileges which it needs to run inside Docker, and hyphen hyphen name is for naming a container as Docker 2, and this hyphen D is to run this container in detached mode. I guess I stop with this spelling. Yeah. So our container is created. Now we'll do Docker execute hyphen it docker 2, then dash. So we'll try with sh. Yeah. So now we have entered our container, which is docker 2. So using this command, what we did is we accessed our dent container, the one we created, docker 2, to see if everything is running correctly or our container has successfully been created. What we'll do is we'll use this basic hello world command, run hello world. So hello from Docker. This shows that everything has run well. Now, if you check Docker images, you will you will see only hello world. You will not see CentOS and Docker didn't, which we first pulled because those were in a host image. And now, as we are in our Docker container, we can't see those. Now, if we want to run more containers inside this container, we can do that as well. So again, we'll do the same process of Docker pull Docker dent. Again, it will pull the Docker dent image, which will again let containers run in this container and will give all the necessary um, permissions. Now we can check. Now again, we'll pull Docker pull CentOS and check. Now again, it will pull CentOS image for us. And in this container also, we will have these two images. So we'll check Docker images, and we can see that hello world, CentOS, and Docker dent. These three images are again pulled. And now again, if we want to run one more container in this container, we can do the same process of docker run hyphen privileged hyphen name. I'll name it as docker 3, then hyphen d docker print. And again, this new container is created, that is docker 3. Again, we'll do docker exec, that is execute hyphen I hyphen it, our container name docker 3 and docker dent. Again, we are into our new container, that is docker 3, and to get out of these containers we'll do exit. Done. Thank you.